Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook mashed potatoes. First, select the right variety, like starchy russets or creamy Yukon Golds for the best texture. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes. Peel them thoroughly, then cut them into uniform 1.5-inch pieces. This ensures even cooking. Finally, rinse the cut potatoes under cold water to remove any excess starch, which helps achieve a fluffier mash. This initial preparation is key to a delicious outcome. Next, place your prepared potato pieces into a large pot. Cover them with cold water by about 1 inch and add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to medium and simmer until the potatoes are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain the potatoes very thoroughly in a colander. Removing all the water is crucial to avoid a watery, unappetizing mash. Now for the mashing. While the potatoes are still hot, return them to the pot. Using a potato masher or a ricer, begin to mash them until mostly smooth. Gradually add about half a cup of warm milk or cream and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, mixing until just combined and creamy. Be careful not to overmash, as this can make them gummy. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, adjusting as needed. Your perfect mashed potatoes are now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve them immediately while they are still warm and fluffy. You can garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh chives, parsley, or an extra pat of butter for richness. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try adding roasted garlic for a savory twist, or a handful of shredded cheddar cheese for a cheesy delight. These simple additions can elevate your mashed potatoes even further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.